Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both accounts. Sign in to Zoho Mail and enable a map. If you use two-factor, create an app-specific password now. Once done, open Gmail and go to Settings, then Accounts and Import. Make sure you have the Zoho email address and the app password or normal password ready, because you will enter them into Gmail's Add a Mail Account flow. This step avoids authentication errors later, so pause and confirm IMAP and credentials before continuing. You now add the Zoho account inside Gmail. Enter the Zoho address and choose the IMAP or POP option. IMAP keeps folders synced, so prefer it. When prompted, supply the Zoho username and the app-specific password. Set incoming server to IMAP. Zoho. COM with port 993 and SSL and outgoing to SMTP. Zoho. COM with port 465 and SSL. Make sure the username is the full email. Once Gmail verifies the connection, select Label and Archive option. Finish by testing. Compose an email in Gmail and choose your Zoho address as from. Send to a secondary account and confirm delivery. If the message fails, stop and check SMTP authentication. Correct username, app password versus ordinary password, and that ports use SSL, 465 or 587 with TLS. Also review Zoho's security log for blocked sign-ins and Gmail's account connections for denied permissions. Once successful, your Zoho Mail is fully usable inside Gmail. Keep the app password handy if you change two-factor settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.